guys, so come with me as I prepare for the infamous snowstorm that's going to be hitting the East Coast this weekend. Today is January the 23rd, Friday, and it's supposed to hit Saturday night going into Sunday. So while it's scary, it's kind of exciting because I haven't seen snow in a long time, or at least at the capacity which they are saying it's going to be the amount. So it's going to be interesting, but you know, prayers that everybody stay safe, get what they need to get, and you know, hunker down and is able to be in a place of warmth. Lord, I can't talk. And yeah, get what they need to get to make it through the weekend. And so I have to run a few errands today. I need to go to the bank, I need to go to the gas station, I need to go to the beauty supply store, I need to go to the grocery store, I need to go to Home Depot, and I need to go to the international store. So yeah, come with me as I do all the things to prepare for this weekend. So I'm in Walmart and this is what we're looking like. I'm looking for the toilet paper that I normally get, but so far we have empty boxes. So we're gonna see what I can get. Yeah, you got stuff all torn open. So this is what the toilet paper aisle is looking like when you come to Friday before a snowstorm hits the weekend. Lots of paper towels. But the toilet paper that I usually get is not looking like they have it, but it's okay. We do have some options. It's not like it's all gone, but we just gotta see what's what. But yeah, so Walmart right now is a little crazy. So I got a little distracted and stumbled upon the Valentine's Day aisle, and these are the cutest things. Oh my god. Like, how adorable are these heart wreaths? Like, my creative spidey senses are tingling as to using these for some kind of decor featured item or display. How cute. Anyway, back to the chaos. Look at this. Adorable. Oh my gosh. So stinking cute. Get your Valentine's Day goodies. All right, so we got, what did I say, 3 things? Ended up getting a 4th thing, but 3 out of the 4 things, they did not have salt. So I know that's going to be a little tricky for me to find today because it is definitely a hot item to get for a snowstorm. So we're going to see. I have 4 more stores to go to, and hopefully I can find some salt in one of the stores. If not, then it is what it is. We're just going to have to, you know. But I mean, I don't know how effective salt's going to be anyway with the amount of salt. I mean, with the amount of snow that they're calling for, until really after it's all said and done, once everything is melted and turned to ice. So if we don't get it today, then I mean we don't, but if we do, then great. But yeah, so off to the next few stores. I'm still deciding which one I want to go to next, because I'm gonna leave the grocery store for last. I need to go to the beauty supply store. I need to go to Home Depot. I want to check a Home Depot to see if they have salt. And the gas station. Oh, and there's an international store that I want to go to get this tea that I really, really love. So let's see where I end up next. All right, so I just arrived at the bank, and to God be the glory, there's no line. So I'm just gonna get in and get out, which we're doing the drive-through, so I don't really have to worry about, you know, traffic as far as that goes. But yeah, let's do what we gotta do. All right, so the bank was successful. That took me less than, what, I would say like less than 5 minutes, really. So I think we are going to go to the gas station next. All right, let's see how the gas station looks. We are at Wawa, and it's not looking too crazy. Pretty average, standard. Nobody's rushing in on top of each other to get gas. So yeah, so far so good. All right, so just arrived at the grocery store. We're at Weiss. Gonna get a couple things, just restocking really. We don't have to get anything too major because we did some shopping earlier this week. So yeah, just getting some restock items, and let's see what the crowd is looking like. As of right now, the parking lot looks pretty normal. Nothing too crazy. People are just going about their day per usual. So let's see what the inside is looking like. So we are doing pretty good in Weiss. Nothing too crazy, average traffic. So thank God nobody's going crazy in the grocery store. But yeah, we're gonna see how the lines look, which I took a glimpse at the lines and they didn't look too bad either. They were moving pretty fast. So let's have a few more things to get from here, and then we can head to our next destination. Let's go. So I came down the water aisle, and to my surprise, this is what we're looking at, y'all. No more bottled water, at least the regular ones. The fancy ones are still here. But dang, I'm a little too late. Well, I definitely thought I was gonna get some eggs, but that's out of the question. So, no eggs. Lots of ice cream though. It seems everybody wants to get some soup. Oh my Lord, I'm tired. We're making progress. I have so far have not been able to get water, salt, or eggs. I don't know if I have it in me to go to another store, but I'm gonna try. There's a Giant right across the street. I'm gonna try my luck to see if I can get excuse me. I'm gonna try my luck to see if I can get eggs. We have water at the house, but I just wanted to get like a little extra, just, you know, to make sure or whatever. But some eggs. Oh, I forgot to get corn. And then Home Depot for salt. So wish me luck. Alrighty guys, so we officially have gone to the gas station, went to Walmart, went to the grocery store, went to the bank. Now I'm at the beauty supply store, and it's looking okay. Oh, okay, don't get into an accident, people. It's looking all right. The store that I have to go into looks pretty chill, nothing crazy going on, but the parking lot itself packed out. Like, it's a couple other stores in the shopping center, including a liquor store, and I don't know if all these cars are here for the liquor store or what, but this is crazy. Anyway, and then after this, I have to go to Home Depot, which is actually right across the street from where I am at now, so that's gonna be quick and easy. But otherwise, let's go get what we have to get and keep it moving. All right, so we are hair store shopping. Gotta get some braiding hair and some curly hair. Let's see what these prices is giving. So I'm currently in Home Depot and it's looking tight scarce when it comes to salt. They have like 1 or 2 bags of like sand, they said people have been buying and as an alternative for salt, but yeah, it's not looking like we're gonna have no salt, y'all. But I'm gonna pick up some gloves and then yeah, get up on out of here. I'm tired and I'm hungry, so let's go. So leaving Home Depot. It's starting to get dark out, so it's time to go home. I'm tired. I ain't got no more shopping left in me. No run around, driving, parking, none of that. I ain't got nothing left in me. Mind you, I still have to go home and wash my hair. Or take this out, wash my hair. And get it ready for me to get my hair braided tomorrow. Yeah, about that. So, yeah, let's go home. And I'm going to show y'all what I got. And yeah, hopefully get something to eat and get started on the rest of the stuff I gotta do today. So I'm home finally and I can finally woosah. However, I totally put everything away before I got to show you all what I got. But it is well. I got general stuff that we need. I got some items to make a couple of recipes this weekend that's gonna last us a few days. I may do a video on those. I'm making 2 of our favorite dishes. One of them is chicken Singapore noodles and loaded baked potato soup. And yeah, I'm excited for that. Can't wait to make that. And pretty much, yeah, just restocked on some toiletries, restocked on some things that we ran out of a long time ago I needed to get. And yeah, just typical household stuff. So yeah, I'm home now. If you stayed through this entire video, 1, I appreciate you. 2, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure you turn on the notifications so you can get the notifications for when I post another video. I appreciate you all of my subscribers thus far. I'm trying to stick it out and be consistent with posting and, you know, just showing my transparency life with you guys. My day-to-day, your average girl, typical girl who is just, you know, living life to the best of my abilities, and trying to be in alignment with Christ and just doing what I'm supposed to do in accordance to his word. And so, yeah, that's me. And yeah, make sure to follow, like, subscribe once again, and stay tuned for the next upcoming video vlog. I don't know yet, but you don't want to miss it. Bye.